Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, me and Chaz are heading to MX23. Chaz is going to be cameraman. I forgot the GoPro, so this is going to be a different video than I originally planned. We're going to get some clips of riding, but at first I wanted to show a little tech tip I found that you guys might like. So obviously, you guys know the Honda's pretty new still. And one thing that always makes the bike look good is having shiny rims. So I was just gonna show you guys a quick tip before we head to the track, what I do. All right, so as you guys can see, the bike's clean. I cleaned it, just soap and water, pressure washer as normal. But if you look at the rims, they're already faded. There's probably barely 10 hours on here. So all I do, go in my tool bag, WD-40, spray a little WD on the rims, and wipe them with a paper towel or a rag, and then they're super shiny. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright, and as you guys can see, it doesn't show up that well on camera, but they're definitely a lot shinier and they'll stay that way. So I wash them with soap and water, but then once it dries, there's like residue still. But we're gonna head to the track. I'll show you them again and we'll get some clips. I'll probably be a little bit rusty. It's been a few weeks since I've been riding, but I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we're out here. I'm absolutely dying. At first I wasn't happy with the track. They changed up, they added all those little bumps as you guys saw, kind of like whoops. But I got them down. And they also added a huge table in the center, which I am not hitting yet. It's just way too big for the spot they put it in. But other than that, I'm feeling good, ripping good. Chaz is getting some sick video. And we're about to head out for another moto. See you guys out there. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like I said, a little bit of different style. I wanted to give you guys like a tech tip, just as I feel like it adds more value to the video instead of us just always riding, something you guys can take away. So yeah, that's what I do. Keep the rims nice and shiny, just a little WD-40 after I wash the bike. It shines them right up. But let me know what you guys thought. Maybe I'll make more of these. As you saw in this video, I did a lot of like brake tapping and seat bouncing when I was riding. If you guys would be interested in like videos of like when and why or how you do that stuff, let me know down in the comments below, and maybe I'll make some more tech tip videos. And I'll try and include those in videos going forward. But other than that, if you're new around here, subscribe, smash that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.